Hey guys, so today I bought a LED reflector, so we're gonna put this on the RAV4, and he has like a dim and bright setup. So there's like 3 wires. It's gonna be like negative, and then for the dim and for the brake lights. And what I'm gonna do is that this wire cap, so instead of cutting and putting some electrical tape, we're just gonna use this. It's easier. You're just gonna hook it in the wire that you're gonna hook, and after that you simply like attach this in here, and that's it. So we can install this right now. So first we're gonna remove the roof bumper. So we're gonna start with the wheel arch there and the other one too. So we're gonna unbolt that. So after that we're gonna unbolt the lights and this one, and we're gonna untap that wheel fender over there, and there's underneath on the, we're gonna unbolt the bolts there too. So yeah, so we're gonna move the clips here and here and one over here, and after that we're gonna unbolt this one and unclip this one. Okay, once you remove this, the next one is that we're gonna unbolt this one and unclip this one. It's gonna be a 10 sockets, 10. So just gonna unbolt it. Just gently pop it, don't force it too much, just gently it. 2, there you go. So, and then there's a hidden clip here, so we're gonna unclip that. Okay, the next one is gonna be the bottom part. So we're gonna unclip this, and there's another one here I did already here. So yeah, we're gonna unclip that. Okay, next is we're gonna unscrew that and the other one there too. So yeah, just gently pop it so you won't break the stab. Okay, and I forgot, you're gonna unbolt this one too, that's supporting this side here, and then now we can take it off. Alright then, so that's how you remove the rear bumper. It's pretty easy, just take your time, don't force it, so nothing won't break. So now we're gonna install this LED reflector on this bumper. So now the bumpers has been removed, so the reflector has only have one screw to support it here. So we're gonna unscrew that. Hold on, there. So there's the OEM reflector. So we're gonna put the new one. So in order to work, we're gonna drill a hole in the center for the wire to go out. So I'm gonna do my drill here. So I'm gonna drill here. Okay, and now we're gonna put the wire here in the hole, and then after that we're gonna unscrew it, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Then follow that, it's gonna be wiring time. I've been looking around why it's not removing this one. You're just gonna have a little bit more force to push it out so you can take the tail light. So just waste my time taking off this again, so I'm gonna put this down before I continue doing this one. So for the brake lights, we're gonna tap it here. Let me just there. Okay, so this is gonna be our ground or negative, the black one, and this one, the green one, is gonna be the brake lights. So we're gonna tap it here. The good thing about this thing is that you don't need to cut it and, you know, make everything difficult. You just do like that. After that, that's it. And then another one over here. Okay, just a little bit more. All right, so yeah, that's it for the connection for the brake light. So after that, we're gonna do the headlight or running light or dim light. So it's gonna be this one, the green one here. So we're just gonna tap that. Okay, and then that's it. And after that, we're gonna connect the black, the red, and the white one for the LED reflector light. So the white one is gonna be here in the green one. Connect that here. Okay, the black one's gonna be here. Okay, and the last one, the red one, it's gonna be next to the black one. It's right over here. All right, so after that, connect this back here. All right, after that, put this back, the tail light after, and then we're gonna test it if everything is connected right and there's nothing gonna be having a problem. So now we're gonna test that. Okay, so first we're gonna do the brakes. Alright, now I'm gonna turn off the light. So this one and this one gonna be on as a dim. Man, it looks great though. Then I'm gonna apply some brakes and it's gonna be more brighter than right now. So yeah. So there you have it, guys, and this one is easy to install. It just take too long to install it because you're gonna remove the whole bumper just to take this one with one screw on it. And yeah, just take your time, you're gonna be fine. Everything's easy to do. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so to inspire me to do more, and I see you next time.